guys, I'm Sarah. I'm here with the three amigos, Olivia, Samantha, Aston. It is school holidays. Stop biting your nails. This is a good wee one as well for a bit of coordination, a bit of hand-eye coordination and stuff, and it's pretty easy. All you need is some wool of different colours. It helps if it's all kind of the same thickness. We've actually got a couple of balls of wool that are like, I think they're for making baby jerseys and stuff. They're really thin. So I find if you combine the thin with the thick, it just comes out a bit funny. So I think Olivia was going to do one with just the thin ones, weren't you? First thing we need to do is cut a circle out of a piece of cardboard. Doesn't matter if it's not a perfect circle. Doesn't really matter how big it is. In the middle of the cardboard, just want to punch a hole, just using a pencil. I did. Doesn't have to be exactly in the middle, you know, doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're going to cut 8 slots around here. So, we just
I did seconds.
1, 2. So we just cut them opposite each other like that. Hang on, hang on. 8, and that is the only device you will need. Then we're going to need to pick out our wool. I think you're using those two, aren't you, Aston?
Yeah.
I'm going to do one with 4 different colours. Right, now we need to get the wool. Oh, you need to cut your notches. You know how to cut the notches?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I have figured the wool is about right when I measure it from my hand to my elbow. So, about 42 centimetres.
42 centimetres, 42
Right,
centimetres.
so, just gonna snip one. So, we want 7 strands of wool. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to poke all the bits of wool through the hole, then just going to tie a simple knot into the top as far up as you can. Now we've got one knot, I'm going to do another, leave about 1 centimetre and do a secondary knot. So I'm going to pull that so the knots are being held by this. So then, I'm going to put one bit of string in each of these notches. So it's going to end up looking like that. What we do is, we have a blank bit, we count around 1, 2, 3. The third one comes around
1, 2, 3,
to the blank
which
bit.
way? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
I count it anti-clockwise and then I bring it round in a clockwise direction. But that's just what's easier for me. Pick it up and you put it into the blank one.
So then you do it again from this blank one.
Yep. So then it's the same again. Then you've got that blank one. So you go 1, 2, and the third one. Yep. Pick it up. Mine's about to run out, but it's about the right size for Aston. Apparently my one is for Aston. Just gotta put my finger there to hold them in place. Take them all out of here. And tie a knot at the end. Right, I'm just gonna trim any little scraggly bits. After you can leave the scraggly bits if you want. And there we have it. Now, when you fasten it on, this knot here will be going through. Can you stitch like it was on you, Aston?
Yep.
Dun da da da. That's pretty cool.